Hey, what is up guys? Good morning. I hope you're having a great day, and today we're gonna be just doing another vlog. And if you wanna see how to fix holes in your skate shoes or how to repair your skate shoes, I will leave a link in the description down there, or I'll put it on the screen. Either one, it's gonna be there. Just skip to that time and that's where I'm gonna start discussion. But if you want to watch me go skateboarding, go to the skate park with my friends and do a lot more things, then continue watching this video. But for now, let's go. What?
Yo, why are mom grabbing?
No, what's a mom grab? Okay, anyway guys, as you saw, we did that little edit for me. I'm not that good at like skateboarding, but basically we're at the skate park right now with my friend Mog. So he was recording me. He was the cameraman. He has a channel. He doesn't upload YouTube on it, so I'm gonna shout out his Instagram instead. It's gonna be on the screen right here, and then link in the description, or not a link, but the name. But anyway, we're having a fun skate sesh here, and yeah. So yeah, let's go. All right, guys. So today we're gonna be doing the worst board at the park. So Almog, what do you have here? Let's check out this board. Let's check this out. So, the what are they called? The bolts are pretty trash. Look at this. Why do you have a bunch of giraffe stickers on it? Oh, guys, it's triggered, gone wrong in the hood. We're getting out of here.
This guy is taking my bike. Hey, yeah! What'd you say? Get out of my way! Are you kidding me? Okay, what are you gonna be doing? I'm gonna just go down this way. Do a couple flips. Okay, do a couple flips.
Go. Here, buddy. Okay, guys, so I just finished the skate session. It's a nice sunset. It's not really a sunset, but it's just nice sun. So right now I'm gonna go home, and I'm probably gonna continue this vlog to tomorrow. And shout out to the Raging Made It one more time.
Recording?
Or Almog for recording me. And I'll see you tomorrow or today. So yeah, bye. If you like these cookies, yum, tell me. Here they are. Do you like the celebration cookies? These are so blessed, honestly. It's just like a cookie on chocolate bar. Anyway, let's get to the point. Right now, me and my dad are gonna go play soccer, because Heart Soccer, you already know, represent the team. We're just gonna go play soccer, have a good time, and I'll see you when we get there. Alright guys, good morning. It is the next day and this is the part of the vlog where I'm going to show you how to repair a hole in your shoe. As you can see, I have like a hole. Usually you get holes in this part of the shoe because it's like where you ollie and stuff. So, these are the materials that you need. So you need this. This is optional. I'll show you later why. You need some scissors for this, which is optional. Shoe glue, which is the product that's gonna be fixing your shoe and it's gonna just make it strong again. And of course you need your shoes that have a hole in it. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, number one, what you do is first you see, so in order to make the layer like smooth, you're gonna need to put your finger under it. So if you don't want your finger to get stuck within the glue, what you want to do is you want to get your plastic bag, open it, just a small piece of this stuff. There, that's good enough. And what you're going to do is just put it on your finger, wrap it around your finger like that. There you go. And then your finger with the plastic wrap right there. Alright, so next what you want to do. Alright guys, so once you just take out your shoe glue and get your finger with the plastic wrap and place it under the hole, so you kind of make like kind of a surface to put on the shoe glue, and then you get your shoe glue and squeeze a blob of it onto the hole or where your finger is. And what your finger is gonna do, it's gonna like make kind of like a surface so the shoe glue won't go right through the hole. And then just wipe off the excess shoe glue on your bottle. And then what you want to do is, in order to smoothen out the shoe glue, you want to either get an ice cube or put cold water on the tip of your hand and smooth it out with that. So right here I'm getting it. Alright guys, so a few minutes has passed and this is what the shoe looks like of the first layer. Make sure that you have some newspaper or something on whatever surface you're doing it, unless it's like something that doesn't matter, because if this goo gets on it, it's going to be pretty bad. And also make sure it's in a well-conditioned area. And after you get your first layer on, you just put another layer on, and you just keep on doing it over and over until you think you have enough layers. So I'm gonna do that about 1 or 2 more layers, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, well there you have it. That's like the shoe goo. So basically this is what it ends looking like. Of course it's not gonna, the color is gonna change of the goo, you need it, like, in order for it to actually act really well, you need to wait 48 to 72 hours, I'm pretty sure, to get maximum capacity. I did this on another shoe, which I skate right now. I'll show you guys right now. So here they are. Here are the shoes that I skate right now. This is what it looks like at the end. So as you can see, it's a bit of a difference. So if you don't want your shoe to look like this, then don't put on this goo. But this, I'm telling you, I've been skating this for about a week with a hole. And this is, it's literally, like, look, you can see my fingers. They're like a ollie in these red ones. And I'll show you how stable they are. So yeah, let's go outside. Okay, so I'm in my Vans with the thing on, and I'm gonna do some ollies, and I'll show you guys what they look like. Okay guys, so I just finished my ollies, and here's what they look like. You see they have complete no damage whatsoever. They're still in good tact. So this shoe glue is really good. And well guys, thank you so much for watching. This is gonna be the end of my vlog. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned how to put on shoe glue. And remember, skateboarding is a hard sport, so never give up. It's really fun. The shoe glue is awesome. The apple strudel is awesome. And also my actual piece. God damn, this strudel is blessed. Holy shoot. Hit me up. Oh yeah. Oh, water first.